Hi guys, I'm Parth Gaurav from Digi Hotshot, and today we are diving deep into the most impactful announcements from the Webflow Conference 2024. This video is split into two parts. First, we'll cover the game-changing updates for marketers and decision makers in any firm across any company, and then after that we'll explore the exciting new features specifically for designers. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, the part 1 is for marketers and decision makers. The first thing is Webflow Analyze. So, Webflow Analyze is a powerful native analytics solution built directly into Webflow. Now, let's see why it matters. So, as a marketer or decision maker, you need clear, actionable data to drive your strategies. But implementing and mastering third-party analytics tools can be time consuming and complex. Webflow Analyze offers unified view of visitor behavior right within the Webflow interface. And here's what it makes stand out. One-click setup with automatic event tracking, site, page, and click event level insights. So no need for manual or code-based configuration, privacy-focused design, keeping your data within Webflow's ecosystem. And you can have integrations with consent management tools like DataGrail and FinSuite solutions. We use FinSuite solutions a lot, so that would work for you. So this means you can make data-driven decisions faster without the steep learning curve of external analytics platforms. Plus, you will have access to data within your team, allowing designers and content creators to see how their work performs. And a bit of release info on this, Webflow Analyze will be available later this month as an add-on for all customers on basic through to enterprise site plans. Next up is Webflow Optimize. So Webflow Optimize is a native A/B testing, personalization, and account-based marketing solution. In today's digital landscape, continuously refining your website to meet visitors' needs is crucial. But running complex tests and personalizations often requires multiple external tools and significant technical know-how. What Webflow Optimize does is it brings powerful testing and personalization capabilities right inside your workflow. With this, what you can do is create and run multiple tests simultaneously. You can analyze user behavior in real time, and you can personalize experiences for each visitor. AI Optimize feature for dynamic AI-powered personalization. It has seamless integration within your existing tech stack for data import export. The AI Optimize feature is particularly exciting because it uses machine learning to automatically adjust which experiences are shown to different visitors, and it helps in optimizing it in real time for better conversions. This one, Webflow Optimize, is available today as an add-on for all customers on basic through enterprise site plans. Next thing is page building for all. This is one of the exciting features that I really liked a lot. So Webflow is releasing page building capabilities to all customers, including a new marketer role. Why this matters is, as a marketer, you need the ability to quickly create and iterate on landing pages without always relying on your design team. However, maintaining brand consistency is very crucial. So this new page building features offers a drag and drop kind of interface. For quick page creation, you can use the designer approved building blocks or designer approved components to maintain brand consistency. A new marketer role that allows safe self-serve page building. The ability to launch campaigns and specific landing pages. This features empowers you to move faster, test more ideas, and bring campaigns to market quicker, all while staying within your brand guidelines. And release info on this, this page building is now available today onwards for all the plans, and you can give your teammate or client access to page building by assigning them the new marketer role. Next is improved collaboration features. So Webflow is introducing new navigation and enhanced design approvals. Let's dive into why this matters. So website development is a team effort, but collaboration between marketing, design, and development teams can often be fragmented and slow. The new feature includes tab-based navigation for easy switching between designers, CMS, Analyze, Optimize, and Preview. And you can have real-time collaboration indicators, showing who's working on the same page. And next is ability to leave comments and publish directly from the workspace. It will have enhanced design approvals with option versus required reviewers. This specific one is for enterprise customers only. What these updates will do is it will streamline your workflow, reduce that back and forth, and help ensure that all stakeholders are aligned before changes go live. So this enhanced design approvals are available now to Webflow enterprise customers only. and their partners, the Webflow Enterprise partners. Then this new tab, the new tab-based navigation will be available to all the customers later this year. And I kind of like that navigation, but it will once it is released, we'll get the actual hang of it. One more thing I would like to add in the page building thing is, so to give you more context, so now inside Webflow, earlier it used to be the design interface and the edit interface inside the Webflow designer. So you can switch between two different modes. So basically when someone is designing, another person can come and edit the stuff, but it was like very limited of sorts when it comes to what the editor can do. Now it is plan and build. So basically inside the build interface, what you can do is you can use components to build out a new page. You have like now more control, and as you can see, this is how it looks now. So I'm really excited specifically about this feature and how it can improve the collaboration between the teams. Next part 2 is for designers. One is like AI assistant for design. So Webflow is introducing an AI assistant with powerful design capabilities. So as a designer, you often need to quickly ideate and create new page sections. This AI assistant can help you speed up this process without compromising your creative control. The AI assistant for design offers like generating of new page sections using your existing design systems and site contexts, and like quick ideation for common site sections like pricing, features, and testimonials. The ability to further customize and refine AI generated sections. And then one thing is like preservation of your design system and brand consistency. So what they showed in the demo is, I'm not sure if I will be able to find that video. If I will attach it here only. So what they showed in the demo is you can click on add a new section and see all the components there. And when you click on the component that you like, once it is added to the dashboard, it will automatically bring in all the variables, all the design elements, all the like brand guidelines that you have assigned, all the entire design system that you have assigned, and it will be built according to that. What this tool can help you is it can kickstart your design process, allowing you to focus more on refining and perfecting the user experience. One thing I'm particularly concerned, or I would say thinking about this specific feature, is how it will carry the structure, because there are different ways to build a site on. So there is the FinSuite client first system, then there is Lumos, must have, everything like has different ways to build a site on, and how this will work out between like with these systems, that we'll have to see. On our end, we use our own system, so it is very similar to Must, MAST. That's what it is. I really like that system, and our system is very similar to that. So we have to see like how this will work out with these systems, and how much changes do we need to have to make sure that it is consistent with those systems as well. So that we'll have to see. So designing with the AI assistant is available in limited beta only today, and starting with like selected templates. It will expand in the future to more sites, maybe like later this year. That's what we have heard until now. So during this beta phase, generating sections with the assistant is available to all the users regardless of the plan, but it will likely be a paid feature once it is fully available. So we'll have to see how it works out. I don't think we have the access yet on this one, but we'll see once we have the access. I can create a more detailed review on that. Then next up, this is the biggest one, I would say. Webflow announced it at the very end, which is Webflow acquired GreenSock, the company behind GSAP. So this is like a huge news. If you are a designer or developer who is watching this video, you know how amazing GSAP is. As a designer, you know the power of animations in creating engaging interactive web experiences, and GSAP is one of the most powerful animation libraries out there, and its integration with Webflow opens up new exciting possibilities. While the full details of the integration are yet to be revealed, we can expect like seamless incorporation of GSAP's robust animation capabilities within Webflow, the ability to create complex performance optimized animations without leaving the Webflow interface. So basically with this, Webflow announced iX3, and this will be powered by GSAP. So I'm assuming it will arrive probably mid of next year. That's what I am assuming, because they have just announced the acquisition, and let's see how it looks like, how it works around, how it will improve the animations and performance across the web. but I think like it will be really cool to be able to apply GSAP natively inside Webflow. This integration will allow you to push the boundaries of what's possible in web animation, all within the visual development environment of Webflow. So like as I said, GSAP is now a part of the Webflow family, and GSAP will continue to be publicly available for the use on the wider web. Next one is, let's talk in depth about design system improvements. This is again one of the most crucial updates for both, I would say, for both the designers and marketers as well. I've added this into this segment, but I would say it will apply to the marketers as well. So this is more focused right now on component. So Webflow is introducing new component style variants. Right now, what we do is, so let's say we have created a component and we have to create a different style of that same component, different layout of that component. So there's a way that we do it, because Webflow components support class attributes. So what we do is we just apply a class attribute to a particular element, and in the component settings we can add that class and have a different variant of that same component. And this specific feature, this design system improvement, will change that workflow, or I would say improve that workflow. We have to see. I haven't tested out it yet, but we'll have to see how it works. So basically, design systems are very crucial for maintaining consistencies across large physics, but they can sometimes feel limiting. This component style variants add flexibility while maintaining the benefits of a robust design system. The new component style variants feature allows you to define multiple style options for the same component. It will reduce the number of components you need to maintain. Plus, it will provide more flexibility for your team without compromising consistency. And what it will do is it will streamline your design system management. Earlier, as I said, we need to give class attributes. Now you can just do it from a drop-down. That's what we saw in the demo. So this feature gives you the best of both the worlds, the efficiency of a design system with the flexibility to adapt to various contexts. The new component style variants will be available to everyone later this year. Then next up is CMS improvements. Again, specifically in CMS improvements, if you have seen the conference, you know what the biggest one was, which is nesting. So let me expand on this whole thing. So Webflow is expanding CMS API capabilities and finally increasing CMS nesting limits. As a designer working with dynamic content, you need more flexibility in how you structure and manage that content. These improvements will give you more power and control over your CMS. The CMS improvements include new API endpoints supporting bulk operations for more efficient and scalable data import from third-party sources. Then next up is big one, which is increased CMS nesting limits, which is coming in beta later this year. And let me expand on this specific one for a bit. So if you're a designer or developer, let's say for a particular element you need to add CMS nesting, multiple CMS nesting. We'll have to see how it will roll out when it comes. So right now, what is the workaround is you need to use FinSuite attributes to have increased CMS nesting limits. Now in later this year, this increased CMS nesting limits natively will help us a lot, designers, in expanding the capabilities of Webflow. This increased CMS nesting limits will help us a lot in our workflow within natively inside Webflow. Next is more control over content publishing, including the ability to draft changes to existing items and publishing individual CMS items to all domains without a full site publish. And I think that's a really important update, because when your site is huge, there are times that there are some pages that are being worked on and some things need some CMS item needs to be published, and this will really help a lot in that workflow. So these updates allow you to create more complex data-driven designs and manage content more efficiently. The new CMS API endpoints supporting bulk operations are available to all customers today. The increased CMS nesting limits will be launched in beta later this year, and the publishing improvements will be available to everyone later this year. And these were I would say my most favorite features that were announced. Then additionally, features that are worth mentioning is, first is localization updates, and this will be very crucial to the sites that are using this feature. So Webflow is unlocking localized style support for all localization plans and increasing the local limit for advanced plan users. This allows more users to customize their site for global audiences without upgrading to a higher tier plan. Localized style support is now available to all localization plans, and advanced plan users can now use up to 10 locals, up from the previous limit of 5. These updates are available for localization users starting today. Then next up is form improvements. Webflow has introduced a new bot prevention features and revamped the form settings view. If you have a Webflow site, you might have noticed these spammy submissions recently a lot. And these updates improve form security and streamline the form management process. New bot prevention features runs in the background to prevent unwanted form submissions. The revamped form settings view brings connections and submission notifications into one place. You will also have new ability to view and manage which apps are connected to your forms. These form improvements are available to all customers now. Next one is AI Assistant for writing. The AI Assistant can now help create content for CMS items. This feature can help content creators and marketers generate first draft content more quickly. And this will help a lot. They can generate full CMS items with with content-based prompts. It uses the context of your existing contents from the fields you have built out and recent items in your CMS collection to match your brand's tone of voice. New CMS item creation powered by the Webflow AI Assistant is available starting today. So, whether you are a marketer looking to optimize your website performance or a designer pushing the boundaries of your web creativity, Webflow's latest updates offer something exciting for you. At Digi Hotshot, we specialize in leveraging these Webflow features to create high-converting, visually stunning websites for tech and finance companies. We have worked with multiple different industry companies as well, but these are the specific companies that we have worked most. So if you are still using outdated platforms or want to make the most out of these new Webflow features, it's time to take action. Reach out to us at Digi Hotshot and let's discuss how we can transform your digital presence with Webflow's latest innovations. And some of these features are available now while others are coming later this year. So stay tuned to Webflow's official channels and our Digi Hotshot for updates on the latest information on feature releases and how to make most out of them. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more in-depth Webflow insights, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.